You've been saving, investing, maybe even side hustling. You finally built up a decent nest egg and you're thinking, it's time to let my money work for me. So, you start researching investment platforms and StashAway pops up. It looks sleek, it promises great returns, but then you see those fees. A tiny part of you screams, are StashAway fees really worth it? Let's talk about it. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. Fees are a part of the investment game. It's like paying rent for the space your money occupies. Every platform, from traditional banks to fancy robo-advisors, charges some sort of fee. The question is, are you getting value for your money? StashAway operates on a tiered fee structure. Basically, the more you invest, the lower the fee. It's like a loyalty program for your money. On the surface, this seems fair enough. But let's break it down. The core fee is the management fee. This is the price you pay for StashAway's algorithm to pick stocks and bonds for you. It's like hiring a financial advisor, but cheaper. Then there are platform fees, which cover the cost of running the app and website. And finally, there might be exit fees if you decide to pull your money out early. So, are these fees high? Well, that depends. If you're investing a small amount, the percentage-based fee might sting a bit. But as your investment grows, the impact of the fee decreases. It's like buying in bulk, the per unit cost goes down. But fees aren't the only thing to consider. What about returns? StashAway claims to deliver competitive returns. But past performance is not indicative of future results, as they love to say. It's essential to look at their track record, but also consider the overall market performance during those periods. And let's talk about convenience. StashAway is designed to be user-friendly. No financial jargon, no complex forms. You can start investing with as little as N10,000. That's a huge plus for beginners. So, is StashAway worth it? The answer, as with most things in finance, is it depends. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing and you value convenience, StashAway might be a good fit. But if you're a seasoned investor who's comfortable doing your own research, you might find better deals elsewhere. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term goals, not quick wins. So, while fees are important, they shouldn't be the only factor in your decision. Ultimately, the best way to decide if StashAway is right for you is to do your own research. Compare fees, look at performance, and consider your financial goals. And don't be afraid to shop around. There are other investment platforms out there, each with its own pros and cons. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.